How do I delete a list in LISTSERV? To delete an existing list, click on List Deletion under the Server Administration menu and select the list that you want to delete from the pull-down menu at the top of the screen. The list configuration for the selected list and a table containing a list of all associated archive and log files will appear in the lower part of the screen. Mark the files that you want to delete and double-check the list configuration to make sure that the list is indeed the one that you want to delete, followed by Delete List. Once deleted, a list and its archives are not recoverable, so a confirmation screen will ask you to confirm one more time that you really want to delete the list in question. Click the Confirm button to finalize the deletion of the list. Thank you for watching.